Welcome viewers, I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to change dimensions in Revit. So sometimes when you are about to submit your drawings to the site, you would like to change some dimensions without affecting any changes in your walls and dimensions. So minor dimensions you can do in Revit also like AutoCAD. So suppose this is 79 feet 1 inches. I want to make it approx 79 feet because no contractor is going to build this 1 inch. This is not possible at site to measure this much. So if you want to make it near about 79 feet, can simply double click here and you can see these options here, dimensions text. So you can see dimension value is actual values, it is 79 feet 1 inch. So I want to replace this with a text, so I want to make this as a 79 feet 0 inches, or you can even make it 78 inch, so it can save you a time and without affecting your internal walls and areas, because you don't have time to change all of this. So you can replace with text here, and I'm going to write here 79 feet 0 inches, and after this if you click apply, this will show error, invalid dimension value, specify descriptive text for a dimension segment instead of numeric value. So how to do this properly? So just type your dimension desired value, right click here, and you can go to this option, insert Unicode control character. So you can select this arrow here, and you will go down and you can select the last option, US unit separator segment separator option, and you will click this and then you will apply. So you can see this dimension is changed in Revit. So likewise you can repeat for any other dimensions also. Suppose I want to make this as a 126 feet, I want to remove this 4 inches, so I will go replace with text and I will write here 126 feet 0 inches, and then I will right click here and insert Unicode control character, go to unit separator, click here, click apply, okay, and this is 126. But when you will take the actual measurement here, so this will show the exact value here. I will tell you, this is from here, this wall and this wall. So you can see this is 126 feet 3 inches. So yes, approx 4 inches. So you can change this and without affecting to change your design from inside or outside. The design will be same, but you can change your dimension. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.